In primetime news this evening, police proposing more controversial traffic measures.
We are going to set up customer service centers. You will not be pulled over. You'll be taken off the road. The first place we've identified is Police Officers Club.
Parents, brace yourselves. Textbook prices going up. And banana farmers in St. Mary losing big because of drought.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. And also this evening we have the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, there are new fears that weak inflation will stifle economic growth. It's why the central bank today lowered its monetary policy interest rate. But will it have the desired effect? Has it had the effect before? We'll tell you all about this in the Business Day.
And from business we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, the big story today about track and field.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Archie. Well, the identity of the national athlete who returned an adverse analytical finding for a banned diuretic at the national championships has now been revealed. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports later.
And we're definitely looking forward to that, Spencer. And we also have sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in the newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, the police are planning to send motorists who breach the road code to customer service centers as part of a clampdown. What are your views on the new proposals?
You may share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.